Did you know that the oldest visible light we can detect in space comes from the cosmic microwave background radiation? This radiation is the leftover glow from the Big Bang that happened around 13.8 billion years ago. It's like a time capsule from the birth of our universe. The expansion of the universe has stretched these high-energy photons into the microwave region, allowing us to study the early universe's composition and evolution. It's mind-blowing how studying the CMB helps us unlock the secrets of our cosmic origins. Science truly takes us on an incredible journey through time and space.